Hey! In front of me is Poco M5, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this Poco device. First of all, access device's settings. Then click on About Phone section and select Storage under device name. Now you need to select Free Up over here. Wait a bit, choose Clean Up one more time and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. If you wish to, you can always click on the square button over here instead, choose Cleaner at the top, and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!